Craving a restaurant-quality dish that's both impressive and incredibly easy to make? Look no further than seared tuna with a sesame seed crust. This delicious ahai tuna recipe takes just 10 minutes to prepare and will leave your taste buds dancing. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's talk about the star of the show, saku tuna. This is typically a block of boneless, skinless, frozen, vacuum-packed yellowfin tuna. It's flash frozen to kill any harmful bacteria, making it very safe to eat raw or rare. You can find saku tuna at grocery stores with in-house sushi departments, sushi restaurants, or even order it online. Now, let's get cooking. First, thaw your tuna block either in cold water or overnight in the fridge. Pat it dry and coat it in soy sauce or gluten-free liquid aminos. This adds flavor and helps the sesame crust stick. Next, prepare the sesame spice crust. Mix sesame seeds with granulated garlic or onion powder, dried herbs like thyme, salt, pepper, and a touch of sugar. The sugar is key for achieving a golden crust quickly. Coat the tuna generously with the sesame spice mix, pressing it into all sides. Now comes the crucial step, searing. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's very hot. Add a high-heat oil like avocado or peanut oil. Carefully place the tuna in the hot pan and sear each side for about 45 to 60 seconds. The goal is to achieve a golden crust without cooking the tuna all the way through. Use tongs to sear the edges as well. Once seared, transfer the tuna to a cutting board and slice it thinly with a sharp knife. You'll see a beautiful contrast between the crispy golden exterior and the rare interior. Here are 3 expert tips for the best results. 1. Always use sushi-grade saku tuna for uniform slices. 2. Don't skip the sugar in the spice mix. It helps achieve that perfect golden crust. 3. Ensure your pan is extremely hot before searing. This versatile dish pairs well with various sides. Try it with an Asian cucumber salad, seasoned Japanese rice, or a refreshing slaw. You can even use it in salads or sandwiches for a gourmet twist. Seared tuna with a sesame seed crust is a healthy, flavorful, and impressive dish that's surprisingly simple to make. Give it a try and elevate your home cooking to new heights. Your family and friends will be amazed at your culinary skills.